Apple just released iOS 18.6.2 for older iPhones, and my iPhone SE 2020 just got a massive 613 megabyte update. But is this update safe, or will it secretly slow down my phone? Let's discuss it together. As you can see, I am. Oh, sorry. I am downloading the update. The whole update and installation process takes a bit of time depending on your internet speed and storage space. Let's talk about the benefits in the meantime. This update mainly includes important security patches, which means your device stays safe from new threats. It also fixes bugs from the previous version, making the phone a little bit more stable. For most users, this is the main reason to update. Now, the flip side. With every iOS update, many older iPhone users worry about performance. Sometimes updates make older phones feel slower, reduce battery backup, or even cause unexpected glitches. And since iPhone SE 2020 is already over 5 years old, it may not get all the new features that newer iPhones enjoy. Now, I am pausing the video for 5 minutes. Then I will start shooting again. Okay, the download process is almost finished. So let's start the video again. So, should you update? If you care about security and want the latest fixes, updating is a safe choice. But if you are worried about the performance or battery life, it might be smart to wait a few days and see what other iPhone SE 2020 users are saying before you install. Reddit might be a good place to hear from others. Now, I want to hear from you. Will you update your iPhone SE 2020 to iOS 18.6.2, or will you skip this one? Comment below and let me know. And if you found this video little bit helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Galaxy Station for more updates like this.